Hello dear friends, today we have kebab with my way. Our steps, it's three. First step is the potato. I will take the sweet potatoes, I will cover it with aluminum foil and I will take it in the oven until it's soft. Second step, it's our meat. I have here mixed meat, pork, beef and lamb. And the third step is the tomato sauce. Let's start. We take a piece of aluminum foil, we cover the sweet potatoes, we send it in the oven. Second step, our meat. The only ingredients that we put in the meat is mild paprika, cumin, onion powder, 1 egg and breadcrumb. Salt, olive oil, and we mix it well. Our mix is ready. We don't put many spices and garlic as you see, because I want to have a balance in my recipe. Garlic and onion we will have in the tomato sauce, so we can take the garlic from the meat. We turn on the fire and we grill it. Our kebabs are ready. It's time for the sauce. On a pan, a few olive oil, one onion, and a piece of garlic. We saute it for a while, and here I have 1 can of chopped tomato paste, one tablespoon of honey, salt and cumin. Our sauce needs 5 to 10 minutes. The sauce are sticky. My potatoes ready, the kebabs. I bring a plate to serve our food. Our potatoes is very soft. Look, and it's hot. I cut it in half. And I open it. Our sweet potatoes is the base for the kebabs. Now, here's my kebabs. 3 is enough. Some regular yogurt. And the tomato sauce. Stop. Some fresh thyme. And olive oil. 1 fork. And we try.